Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a fresh new week and I'm gonna slay it. So, I've just come back from Dublin, and honestly, whilst I was in Dublin, I was so freaking motivated by all the other Gymshark athletes. I was training with them, eating with them, literally we was in each other's pockets, and it was an experience I will never forget for the rest of my life. And I'm so grateful to Gymshark for allowing me not to only meet you guys, but to also spend time with people who I consider my family. Whilst I was there, I was training with all the other athletes, and I realized that I really need to up my game. Like, I'm not even joking. I was thinking about this before I went on this event, and then after I came back, it just verified everything. I have definitely hit a plateau with my body. And if you don't know what a plateau means, it basically means where you're training, you're eating well, however, you're not seeing the results that you want to be seeing. So, now that I've hit that brick wall, it's time to step back and analyze the situation and see what I can do to make it better, to improve my body, to improve my eating. Many of you will probably just be sitting there going, Chrissy, your body's fine, what are you talking about? I know how capable my body is. And right now, I'm not showing my full potential in my body. This is me upping my game at the gym. I'm gonna be helping you guys get back on track with motivation, with eating well. At the gym, I'm gonna be going through absolutely everything with you. Series 1, which is this one, hey, is all about nutrition and kind of what I'm eating. As you saw, breakfast was jam-packed full of protein, your complex carbohydrates, and water. Please remember to stay hydrated whenever you can. So now I'm currently going to be drinking 4 liters of water, which sounds like a lot, but I need it because I'm also going to be increasing my list and HIIT cardio. And also with protein, I do want to increase it just slightly, not too much, but just slightly. So yeah, this video all about nutrition. Episode 2 is going to be all about motivation and how you can stay motivated to get it back on track. I'm really excited for these series, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Laziest dog in the world. We picked her up after a week and she's developed such a sassy personality. It's unbelievable. out with these like essential amino acids and energy support. I like lemony water, but I don't like lemony things. Like, I would never go for a lemon dessert. I would much rather go for chocolate, but you know, that's just me. Anywho, gonna try this out. Put a scoop in there. And also, in terms of like supplements and nutrition, and you know, people thinking that you need supplements in order to see your body change. No, you do not need supplements. You need a good, substantial, nutritional, wholesome diet first, and then supplements will just bring that an inch upwards and will help you with your results and progress. That's not bad. That's actually really nice. It tastes like lemonade. So, lemonade. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mama. Right, so I'm gonna head to the gym in like, I'd say half an hour. And I'm not feeling that hungry, but I know that I need to eat something. I'm not gonna force myself to eat something too heavy, but this is what one of my mistakes was previously. If I wasn't hungry, I would just not eat, and then I would just like pick on stuff. And after speaking to like so many people and realizing even in myself, I'm not even using the knowledge I have on my own body. I know I need to eat. Even when I'm not hungry, I still need to try and eat to maintain my energy levels and to not suppress hunger, but just to control my hunger. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have one of these thin bagels, just like so. And I'm gonna have this with some crunchy whole peanut butter and a light spread of jam and some banana. And that's gonna be my pre-workout snack. Snacker, Rui. I just came back from the gym and look what's happened to my finger. No, it's not painted. I dropped a 20 kg plate on one goddamn finger. Don't know how it happened, don't ask me, it was all a blur, I nearly fainted. Good thing is, I was on my last set and I was having such a good back workout. It was like the best. So my finger is F-U-C-K-E-D, but it's fine because we're not gonna let it stop us. So now I'm back from the gym. I had my protein shake and I actually even had a little bit of a protein cookie because I know it sounds dramatic, but when this happened, I felt really lightheaded and weak. I think it was all the shock. Just had something sweet just to like give me that burst of energy back, and it actually really did help. So I had that, I had my protein shake as well, just my woman's best ISO whey. And now I'm gonna chill a bit. I'm gonna drink another bottle of water. I've had roughly 3 liters already today, and it's currently 7 p.m. So I'm gonna have 1 more liter of water. Hey baby girl. Hi my precious baby. I feel really energized. I don't feel hungry. I don't feel deprived. I've had veggies with all my meals. I've had high protein. And I haven't been restrictive. As you saw, I had like a bagel and I had peanut butter and jam. And also because I've been feeling more full and less deprived, it's making me more motivated. I know it sounds really weird, but it's making me more like, right, I'm ready to conquer this. I'm ready to make this happen. So yeah, it's been a good day so far. getting back on track. Okay, so dinner is the rice that I left over at lunchtime, broccoli and some chicken. As you can see here, it's a hefty amount of broccoli. I cooked this with just some coconut oil, salt, pepper and some garlic powder. So that's dinner with another bottle of water, and then before bedtime I will have like a little dessert as well. So that is the end of episode 1. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you try some of the recipes that I showed you in this video. Me and my poor little finger, this is the next day and my finger is absolutely killing me. I don't know if I'm going to go gym today, but if I do, I might just hit the Stairmaster or incline walking. I don't want to put too much pressure on my finger. I know it sounds dramatic, but I think my nail will fall off. I'm convinced my nail will fall off. And that is really difficult for me to digest because I like having my nails done. And if I don't have 10 fingernails, that is a big problem. You feel me? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe for the next episode of Getting Back on Track. I love you always and forever. Bye.